Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to see Chapter 1 Nutrition in Plants, Keywords and Question Answers. So, without wasting your much time, let's get started. अगर आप लोगों ने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दीजिए जिससे आपको मेरे नोटिफिकेशंस मिलेंगे और लाइक करिए शेयर करिए सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड फर्स्ट कीवर्ड इज autotrophic, the mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substances is called autotrophic nutrition. Second one is heterotrophs. Animals and most other organisms take in ready-made food prepared by the plants. They are called heterotrophs. Chlorophyll. Third one is chlorophyll. The leaves have green pigment called chlorophyll. It helps leaves to capture the energy of the sunlight. Fourth one is nutrients. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals are components of food. These components of food are necessary for our body and are called nutrients. Fifth one is nutrition. Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organisms and its utilization by the body. Photosynthesis. It is a process in which organisms mix their own food from carbon dioxide, H2O, sunlight, chlorophyll. Stomata. The tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. These pores are surrounded by guard cells. Such pores are called stomata. Saprotrophs. Plants which use saprotrophic mode of nutrition are called saprotrophs. Saprotrophic. This mode of nutrition in which organisms take in nutrients in solution form from dead and decaying matter is called saprotrophic nutrition. Our next keyword is host. Some plants are not having chlorophyll, so they require ready-made food from other organisms on which they climb. So that plant is known as host plant. 11th one is parasite. The plant which climbs on the host plant is called parasite. Example, Cuscuta. Insectivorous plants. Some plants which do not make their own food, they depend on other insects for the nutrition. So insect eating plants are called insectivorous plants. So let's start our answer the following questions. Question 1 is why do organisms take food? All organisms take food and utilize it to get energy for the growth and maintenance of their body. Question 2. Distinguish between a parasite and a saprotroph. Parasite. These are the plants which take the nutrients from the host plants. Example, Cuscuta. Saprotroph. They are some organisms which take the nutrients from dead and decaying matter. Example, mushroom. Question 3. How would you test the presence of starch in leaves? The presence of starch in the leaves can be tested with the help of iodine solution. Give a brief description of the process of synthesis of food and green plants. Answer 4. Green plants contain green pigment called chlorophyll which helps the leaves to capture sunlight. Plants take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through stomata and water with the help of roots. All these four components synthesis to for carbohydrate and oxygen, and this whole process is known as photosynthesis. Reaction CO2 plus H2O plus sunlight एरो क्लोरोफिल प्लस कार्बोहाइड्रेट प्लस O2। ये था मेरा क्वेश्चन आंसर्स का वीडियो। अगर अच्छा लगा हो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करिए। टेक केयर, गुड बाय।